Welcome to AGORACOM, the Small Cap Epicenter, and AGORACOM TV, a daily, fast-paced, edgy show bringing the best press releases out of the small cap world every morning at the open so you can hopefully profit from them and maybe even find your next great small cap investments. Friday, June the 5th, typically a slow news cycle day. Nonetheless, do have two pretty decent press releases for you. Let's get to your first one. BWI Holdings trades on the OTC under BWIH. They put up both their fourth year and their year-end results for the period March 31st. It looks like it's a holding company, and its subsidiary Budget Waste makes up the majority of the results here. All results are in Canadian dollars. Revenues for the 3 months, just over $2 million. For the year ended, $11.7 million. That's down compared to just over $4 million for the quarter last year and $16.7 million for the full year last year. However, I do have some information on that. It wasn't unexpected from the company considering the downturn of the residential and industrial construction markets. Nonetheless, here's what we've got in AGORACOM TV. Bottom line turned around. Net income, $171,000 for the fourth quarter, $324,000 for the year. That compares to a loss of $630,000 for the quarter last year and a loss of $1.3 million for the year last year. So great bottom line improvement. Revenues came down, but the company at the same time did a great job of controlling costs. That's a substantial increase in profitability. The company is a waste solutions company in Western Canada. They provide complete waste and recycling services to commercial, industrial, construction, home building, oil field, and residential. Closed yesterday at 38 cents, way off their 52-week low of 5 cents, still off their high of $1.35, but good results out of them. Switching over to China. Agritech trades on the OTC under CAGC. They announced that they began commercial production of organic granular fertilizer. This is at their Harbin facility, which is a second facility for the company. As you can imagine, they're a distributor and manufacturer of national organic fertilizers. They began commercial production. This is a trial run at the Harbin facility of 1 month. Capacity there is 50,000 metric tons. Adds to the 100,000 metric tons capacity they already have at their new facility. For the 2009 year, sales from the Harbin facility are expected to reach between 20,000 metric tons and 30,000 metric tons. Not bad. Mr. Yu Chang, Chairman and CEO, put this into perspective a little bit. He's got a quote. We took an excerpt out of it. We're much closer to reaching our goal of developing capacity for 200,000 metric tons to penetrate the organic fertilizer market, granular fertilizer market, which is actually a larger market than the liquid fertilizers in China. The Chinese government, I like this as well, taking steps to promote the use of organic fertilizers. They're increasing farmers' income through subsidies and price supports. As a result, he says, we can offer farmers in China a wider variety of organic fertilizers to meet their needs to improve crop yield and health. Also like this, the company sells its products to farmers located in 26 provinces in China, so you know they've got some wide distribution. Nonetheless, go take a look at their last annual or quarterly or both. Make sure that they've got some numbers to back this up, but it looks like a pretty good press release. Closed yesterday at $1.79, way off its 52-week low of 51 cents, still below its high of $2.53, but not bad, all other things considering. That's a wrap. As always, if you look for more great more great small cap companies in general, got to get to the AGORACOM front page. Two things you're going to do there. First, take a look at all the best press releases of the week listed by industry right on the front page to make it easy for you. Second, get into the AGORACOM marketplace. Close to 65 companies listed by industry and exchange with great succinct descriptions so you can quickly find the one that best suits your portfolio. Have a great day. Have a great weekend. Paul and I won't be around next week. We're out to the West Coast for our friends in Vancouver. We're going to be at the Cambridge Conference. Hope to see you there. For our friends on the West Coast in and around Las Vegas, then we'll also be at the Reverse Merger Conference being put on by Deal Flow Media. Get out to that conference as well. We'll see you in a couple of weeks. Until then, have a great weekend, and Jim will take over for you next week.